Hey, what's up? This is Redneck. Just doing another cold start on the Farmall Cub. It's actually in the evening. Getting really cold now. It's like 40, 50 degrees, something like that. Anyway. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Been here for about an hour and a half. Been cutting grass. Need to get a new one of these. Busted up one time. We were using the belly mower. Fell off. Sorry about it being so dark. Like I said, it's in the evening.